Hey, welcome to another video from SkinnyMedic. Y'all been asking for me to review more medical pouches, so here you go. I've got a medical pouch for you to take a look at. This is going to be a good one for your IFAK, your blowout kit that you keep on your belt, your rigger's belt, your tactical belt, or even a vest, molle kit, something like that. So this is going to be a good kit for this. This one is the LBT, the London Bridge Trading Company. It's made in America, so it's good quality. It's a little bit different design, so it's pretty cool. So I'm going to show it to you guys. This particular kit is a friend of mine, so we're also going to take a look and see what he's got packed on the inside. I've already stuck a sneak peek, but might be interested to see what he's keeping in here. Of course, taking a look at the outside, this is the multicam version. They do have other colors available. We've got the cross marking that this is going to be a first aid kit, IFAK here. Has an elastic bandage here. This is could be hold something else. The pull tab to expose everything is tucked up in here so it stays out of the way. So you do have two options of mounting this kit. It's going to be a horizontal mount. It's going to be the best way to do it. You can mount it through a belt. Here, I would probably put this on my back, small my back, because once you pull this, then it's easier to deploy. I'm going to show you that in just a few seconds. But I would mount to my back. Also, you can weave this molle strap here. Go ahead and weave it into your vest, gear, whatever you'd like to, and then that mount. So then you're going to mount it upside down, looks like this. So you pull this tab here, and that's going to expose the pouch, the contents inside of it. So you see you have a wire, runs here, runs both sides. So it splits off here, runs through both, and this is what keeps it closed. So that's why you tuck this in. It's upside down, nothing's going to fall out, nothing's going to come out of it. But if we do need to deploy the contents, pull this tab, this comes apart, and then we can get access to our contents. Alright, so let's pull the tab and see what's in here. Like I said, this is a buddy of mine's kit, so we're going to see what he's got in here. I've already taken a sneak peek, but we'll load it back up. So we're going to need it. This is mounted to our vest or to a belt upside down. So you pull down on the tab, this can discard, and then your pouch opens up. So now we have this to grab and pull down. So now we have access to all of our content. So let's see what he has in here. He's got it in a Ziploc bag, so very nice. We know we can use that if we need to. Has a 4-inch pressure bandage in here. Some S-roll gauze. This is going to be your wound packing gauze. Has a hemostatic in here. This is the combat gauze. So if I were wound packing, I would pack with this first, obviously, to get it to the source of the bleeding. And if I needed to backfill, then I would come back and backfill the wound with this. And he has an MPA with some lube, because you're going to need some lube to insert that into someone's nose. It's got 2 hyphen chest seals. Probably need to get him to upgrade to the vented chest seals. These are non-vented, but these will work. Absolutely, they work. You just got to remember you may have to vent these. So I'll sell him some vented chest seals. And then he is a paramedic. So this is a paramedic skill. He has a pleural decompression needle for the tension pneumothorax. So has a complete kit here. The only thing he is missing is a tourniquet. And the reason why the tourniquet is not in here is because he keeps the tourniquet up on a vest. So he has access to a tourniquet. It's just not in this particular pouch. So he keeps the tourniquet on his chest, up on his plate carrier. And this goes on the back side of his plate carrier. So that's why you don't see a tourniquet here, but he has the ability to control everything else. He can control major hemorrhaging, obviously with the extremities, with the tourniquet that he's keeping on his vest. Then we have some joint things like in the armpits and the groin. We can wound pack if we need to. He's got a pressure bandage. We can control someone's airway with MPA. This doesn't hit the gag reflex. If they do have some pressure building up, that tension pneumothorax, then we have the needle. And then if they have a sucking chest wound, we have 2 chest seals. So we can slap one on the front, roll the patient, make sure there's nothing on the back, and put a second one back there. So it's a complete kit. Like I said, the only thing you're missing is a tourniquet. So if you had something like this up on the front of your vest or on another part of your belt, then you have quick access to a tourniquet. There again, the tourniquet is going to be the quick thing. It may be faster to keep it in something like this, and then so you don't have to worry about trying to deploy this. So complete kit, ready to go. I did want to show you just for reference, if you were wanting to put a tourniquet in here with some other supplies, then a tourniquet will fit in there. So obviously then you gotta be limited on what other supplies you can put in there. But a tourniquet will fit in the length of the pouch here. Alright, so I'm going to try to show you how to repack this. So we've got all the contents pushed down in there pretty tight. So then these tabs will come together just like this. So then we're going to pick in the middle, obviously 4 and 4, and then start to weave this back through. So it's a little, takes some getting practice here. Come on. Get this last one tucked down. Okay, so then we'll go to the other side. We've got that weaved in. Push. Oops, that one always gives me. Okay, so now got it weaved back in. Contents aren't coming back out. You can see if I have my camera focus on it. So this metal rod here weaves back and forth, and then we can tuck that in and we're ready to go. So just kind of give you guys an idea, this would be a good spot I would probably put this kit. This is where he keeps it, on the back side of the plate carrier. I'd weave it in. I don't have to go through all this stuff and weave it all in. But if you weave it in, of course we would come back through here obviously. Weave it in tight like it's supposed to. This kit's not going to come off, it's not going to go anywhere. So then if you need to deploy it, reach behind you, pull the tab, and then pull your contents out. It's out of the way. You can keep your magazines, everything you want on the front side. You know, it's not going to keep it thing. I don't have any side plates and like that, so it keeps it out of the way and where it needs to be. Now this kit would obviously be for me, so it's not for someone else. It's what your trauma kit, what your IFAK is for. It's for you. That way if you need it, it's there. So I'll put a link to the London Bridge Trading Company's website where you can pick this up at, and all the details will be there in the description where you can buy one if you're looking for this particular kit. So I hope that video helped. You never know when you'll be the first responder. Remember, you need the right gear and the right training. On the back side, you have two options of mounting this kit. It's going to be a vertical, no, horizontal.